everybody. Today I am going to say characteristics of sound wave in sound chapter and in physics concept. Characteristics of sound wave. There are actually four characteristics of sound wave or sound. Those are wavelength, second is amplitude, wavelength, amplitude, time period, and the last one is frequency. These are the four characteristics of sound wave: wavelength, amplitude, time period, frequency. These are the four characteristics of sound wave. Now let's discuss in detail. That is wavelength first. The wavelength definition. The difference between or the consecutive difference between two compressions or two rarefactions. This is called as wavelength. This is consecutive, that is difference, one by one, one after one, day by day type. Consecutive difference between two compressions. Compression means the particles are closer or the particles are farther, that is rarefaction. Consecutive difference between two compressions or two rarefactions is called as wavelength. This in the diagrammatic show, in the diagram form. This is a graph in which density D, position of the wave moving in some the direction, and this is the density. The wave is traveling like this. Think the wave is traveling like this with a normal density. Yeah. This is the difference between compression, crust or trough. Crust, the above side of the compression, upside compression. This is the rarefaction. The difference between the two compressions or two rarefactions is called as wavelength. This is here wavelength in the diagrammatic form. Now the SI unit of wavelength. Since here these are measured by the meters, hence the unit of wavelength will be meter. The units of wavelength is meters. Wavelength is denoted by the Greek letter called lambda. This is the symbol which is used to denote the wavelength. Lambda symbol. Yeah. This is about the wavelength. Wavelength definition also. Consecutive difference between two compression or two rarefaction is called as wavelength. Now let's discuss amplitude. This is one of the characteristic of sound wave. Amplitude. Yeah. The maximum vibrations of particles. Vibrations of particles in the medium. The maximum vibration of the particles in its mean position is called as amplitude. The maximum vibrations of the particles in its mean position. Mean, it indicates the height. In the diagrammatic form it will be like this. Yeah, this is the position. Here for the wavelength, since it is meters, we have taken density. Here displacement. Displacement is denoted as, so here S means displacement here. Mean amplitude, the maximum vibrations of particles in its mean position. Mean, it denotes height. It denotes height. Now, the example, the wave is traveling in this direction. This is the wave traveling direction. Yeah, like this. In this way, the wave is traveling. The wave is traveling in the given direction, forward direction. Then the height. This is the height here. Height, it is called amplitude. Amplitude. This in the diagrammatic form. The maximum vibration of particles. These are the vibrations of particles or wave in its mean position. Height is called as amplitude. Amplitude generally denoted by the letter A. Generally represented by the letter A. Its units are kg per meter cube in the density form. When the amplitude is in the density form, then its units are kg per meter cube. This is about amplitude. Now let's discuss time period. Time period. Number of vibrations per unit second. Number of vibrations of the particle. Number of vibrations per unit second. Unit second is called as time period. There is a formula for time period, that is T is equals to 2 pi by omega. This is the formula of the time period. The time period SI units. SI units. Since for the time SI units are second, hence for the time period also SI units will be second. Time period SI units are second. Yeah, this is about the time period. Now let's see frequency, which is the last characteristic of the sound wave, that is frequency. Frequency and time period both are interlinked. Frequency. The definition of frequency is the reciprocal of time period. Reciprocal, that is reverse. Reciprocal of time period is known as frequency. Reciprocal of time period is called frequency. That is, frequency is denoted like this. V. V is equals to 1 by T. Reciprocal of time period. This is the formula of frequency. Frequency SI units are hertz. These are the SI units of frequency. Hertz are the SI units of frequency. These are about the characteristics of sound wave. There are actually 4. Those are wavelength, amplitude, time period and frequency. These are the definitions and formula. SI units is diagram form in the characteristics of sound wave. Thank you.